In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Messenger to HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot and proceed to click onto the app marketplace, which is this store icon right here. Click on it and click on HubSpot Marketplace. Once you have done that, you can see right here your marketplace, so click on the search bar and proceed to search right here for Facebook Messenger. Let me search right here for it. Now you can see it right here, so click on this. After you have clicked on that, it will show you this option. Click on this install, and from in there, this will direct you which account you would like to connect with Facebook. So for this case, I'll choose right here this one and click on the discontinue with this account. Once that's been chosen, next thing you need to do is to head over and then click on the disconnect a channel. Click on Facebook Messenger. Click on discontinue with Facebook, and after that, just head over and then log into your Facebook account. I won't be able to show it anywhere because that is sensitive information, but you should be able to log in into yours. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.